This video will show you how to review your portrait photo for your status card application. To start, we will review the background of your photo. You'll want to make sure that there are no wall or door moldings behind you, no wood paneling, even if it's white, and if you're using fabrics, that they are wrinkle-free. Click Yes if your photo meets the requirements, or click Retake if your photo does not meet the requirements. You can now retake your photo with your camera. There should be no objects or furniture in the background of your photo. Click Yes if you meet the requirements, or click Retake if your photo does not meet the requirements. You will want to make sure that the photo has plenty of space around you and that you are centered in the photo. If this is the case, click Yes. If not, Retake. The photo's lighting needs to be even and uniform with no highlights or dark shadows showing on your face. Click Yes or Retake. The lighting on the background must also be even with no dark shadows. Click Yes or Retake. Make sure that the photo has been taken at face level and that you are pointed straight at the camera. If this is the case, click Yes. If not, click Retake. Next, we'll check the quality of your image. You should be in focus and your facial features need to be sharp with no blur. Click Yes or Retake. Your photo must be original and have no photo filters or alterations added to it. Click Yes or Retake. Your facial expression needs to be neutral with your eyes open. If your facial features are looking good, click Yes. If not, Retake. No sunglasses or hair should be covering your eyes or other facial features. If you're wearing glasses, make sure no glares are covering your eyes. If your eyes are fully visible, click Yes. If not, Retake. Your portrait photo has now been reviewed. Need any additional help? You can check out our help center at support.onefeather.ca or email us at support@onefeather.ca.